How to link EA account to Twitch. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your EA account to Twitch so you can claim rewards and access exclusive content. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to ea.com. You can do this on your phone or computer. Next, click on the profile icon in the top right corner and make sure that you are signed in. After that, select Account Settings. From here, scroll all the way to the down and go to the Connections tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Twitch, and then click on the link button next to it. A new window will open, asking you to sign in to your Twitch account. If you're not already signed in, enter your Twitch credentials and log in. And if you are logged in, then verify with the reference code. After verification, you'll see a message from Electronic Arts EA requesting permission to link your account. Review the details and then click Authorize. Once done, a confirmation page will appear showing that your EA account is now successfully linked to Twitch. That's all for the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.